Let's look at the index page before we begin to build it. This is our new index page that we will build for the final project, and this is our old one. So they're vastly different pages. This is a one column no matter how wide or narrow we make the viewport, while the new one has a wide viewport that has 3 images with 3 columns that then changes to a single column for narrow or mobile viewing. So we'll use a media query to make that change in our layout. So let's look at some things. We have a big image at the top. We have a hero image that goes all the way across our whole viewport. That is a background image, and it's made in grayscale. We're using a blue gradient tint to add the color here. So when you make this image, you'll need to make it black and white or grayscale. It's 1600 pixels wide and 600 pixels tall. The other 3 images are all the same size. They're all in color, and they're all 900 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. It's really important you make these 3 images the same size, so when you're scaling your viewport, they always scale to be the same. Other things we want to look at as we want to see that we have a footer. We have 3 columns. I have links to the 3 pages below this, and I basically just have some text that works with each of the 3 pages. So we have a workshops page, a little bit of workshop text, so we can go there. We go to the workshop. I've also made it so you can click on the images as links to the subpages. So on our home page, we basically just have 3 columns, one about each of the subpages to kind of give people an introduction to the type of content that will be on the site. We use a media query to move from a 3-column layout to a single column layout. So we'll be including one media query. And we have a logo at the top. So what I've also done to prepare for this is I've set up a content page to copy and paste my content from. Just going to make it easier. I have something up here talking about my image sizes. So remember, the hero is a 1600 pixel wide image by 600 pixel tall image, and it's grayscale or black and white. And the other 3 are 900 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. And I just have the text content here so I can copy and paste rapidly when I build the page. So that is an overview of our index page. Also note that I'm not going to link this to the external style sheet that I'm using for my other 3 pages because it's a vastly different layout. For the home page, I'm going to code all of the CSS styles and rules in the head of this same document since it's unique on the site.